A very good morning, children. Today we are going to start with the uses of trees. So open book page number 44. Children, today we are going to see the uses of different kinds of trees. So before we see the uses, let's start with a small poem about the tree. सब सुन लो हमारी बात. Now the tree is speaking to us and saying सब सुन लो. So what do you mean by सब सुन लो? Everybody listen. Sab means everybody. सुन लो means listen. What you should listen? हमारी बात. So what the tree is going to say? Please listen. That is what the tree is requesting. What is requesting? छोड़ो ना हमारा साथ. So what it is requesting? Don't leave us. छोड़ो मतलब don't leave. Na means don't. Okay. So don't leave us alone. Understand? हमारा साथ means don't leave us alone. खाओगे क्या जब होंगे नहीं फल. Now what the tree is saying? If the fruits will not be there. जब होंगे नहीं फल means when the fruits will not be there, what will you eat? खाओगे क्या means what will you eat? What will happen then? गर्मी बढ़ेगी धरती पर, रहेगा ना जल. So now the tree is saying when we don't start giving the fruits, then what will happen? The गर्मी बढ़ेगी. गर्मी बढ़ेगी means the increase in the heat. Okay, so the temperature of the climate will be increased on the earth. धरती पर means on the earth. रहेगा ना जल. So if the temperature is increased in our earth, what will happen? There will be no water. So everything will be dried out. Yes or no, children? Then बढ़ने दो फूलने दो काटो ना डाल. So now what the tree is requesting? बढ़ने दो means you let us grow. You let us grow. So it is requesting to all human beings that don't cut us. फूलने दो means let us bloom, and काटो ना डाल means don't cut the branches. So what the tree is requesting? You don't cut us, let us bloom, and बढ़ने दो means you let us grow. Okay, if you cut us, what will happen? There will be no water in the earth and the temperature will be increased. So surviving of human beings will become very worst. That is what the tree is requesting. जो हम ना रहे धरती पर होगा बुरा हाल. That means what the tree is saying. If we are not there, what will happen? The life of human beings, not only human beings, all living animals, birds, everything, the life will become worst. Understand? So that is what the trees are requesting. So what we should do? We should grow lots of trees and plants. We should save trees instead of cutting trees. Now let's see the uses of each and every tree. So you have seen this tree, I think. Neem ka ped. What tree it is? Neem ka ped. You all know neem tree. Yes or no, children? So what are the uses of neem tree? Let us see. So here what the neem tree will give? Tel, sabun, toothpaste, banao. So what it is used? It is used for making oil. Tel means oil, sabun means soap, toothpaste you all know. Okay, for brushing our teeth. Okay, so what do we use? That is toothpaste. Okay, for making all these things, neem tree is used. Then अनाज व कपड़ों को कीड़े लगाने से बचाओ. So what this neem tree is helping? अनाज and कपड़ों. अनाज means grains. कपड़ों you all know clothes. So को कीड़े लगने से बचाओ. So कीड़े means you all know the insect. So neem tree is protecting the grains as well as cloth from the germs or insects. Understand children? Then let us see the uses of nariyal ka ped. Next is nariyal ka ped. Nariyal means coconut tree. What will the uses of coconut tree? Let's see. पानी पियो या गरी खाओ. So pani piyo means water. Okay, the water of the coconut. Gari khao means the tender coconut. What will be there inside the tender coconut? The white part will be there, no? That is only called as gari. Okay, so both are very healthy only. Next, रैशों से रस्सियों या चटाई बनाओ. So rasho means nothing but fiber. Okay, rasho means fiber. You have seen the coconut, right? So the outer cover and the between the inner part, so there will be a fiber. So that fiber is used to make rassiya, that is thread. या चटाई. चटाई means bed. You would have seen the bed made out of coconut fiber. Yes or no children? So that is called as chatai banao. So nariyal tree or the coconut tree is used in many different ways. Next we'll see tulsi ka pauda. Tulsi ka pauda means tulsi plant. So what is the uses of tulsi plant? Let's see. आसपास को स्वच्छ बनाओ. So आसपास को स्वच्छ बनाओ means it is helping in keep the environment healthy. Understand? Then सर्दी जुकाम खांसी भगाओ. So सर्दी जुकाम means cold, खांसी means cough. So most of your house, what the mummies will do, they will, when you all have cold or cough, maximum they'll use this tulsi leaves for the remedy purpose. Okay, or the precaution. For the precaution they mostly use the tulsi plant. Then only when it becomes severe, then only we go and consult a doctor. Yes or no children? So before that we usually use this tulsi plant as your remedy or the precaution. Okay children? Next, kadi ka poda. Next plant is kadi ka poda. Means kadi means curry leaves. You all know curry leaves, right? So what do you mean by curry leaves? Karupla. You would have known karupla, right? That is only called as curry leaves. Sambar kadi dal में डालो, भोजन का स्वाद बढ़ा लो. So it is not only used in sambar. Kadi dal means, the dal means nothing but the pulses. Okay, we use a different kind of gravy in which we use this curry leaves. Yes or no children? Next, bhojan ka swad badalo. Bhojan ka swad badalo means the curry leaves will increase the taste of our food. Yes or no children? So it has many other medicinal values. So if you regularly eat this curry leaves, your hairs, your hairs will be? It will become black in color. Okay children? So this is what we see are uses of tree. Now what again the trees are saying? आंगन आंगन पेड़ लगाओ, खुशहाली हरियाली लाओ. So now the ped is saying आंगन आंगन means every house. Near every house or the courtyard. Angan means courtyard. In front of your gate you can say what you should do. Ped lagao. So everybody should plant a tree. Khushhali haryali lao. So happiness and greenery should be increased in the environment. Understood children? So today your homework is, I want you to take an A4 sheet, draw the tree, and I want like this quotation to be written in your chart and then write its uses also. Thank you so much. Meet you in the next class.